Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you 6 things that makes people lose respect for you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Absence of integrity. Integrity is among the most crucial qualities that people respect in a person. People will quickly stop respecting someone who constantly behaves dishonestly or unethically. This encompasses dishonesty, deception, and theft. 2. Absence of accountability. Lack of accountability is another quality that can make people lose respect for you. This includes behaviors like breaking promises, refusing to accept responsibility for your errors, and persistently blaming other people for your difficulties. 3. A lack of restraint. People around them will quickly stop respecting someone who is unable to manage their emotions, demeanor, or actions. This includes behaviors like screaming, aggressive behavior, and emotional instability. 4. Lack of empathy. The capacity to comprehend and share the sentiments of another makes it difficult for one to gain the respect of others. This may appear in a variety of ways, including brutality or an indifference to the needs or welfare of others. 5. A lack of personal development. People around them will quickly stop respecting folks who don't make an effort to better themselves. This involves failing to develop new abilities, neglecting to work on one's personal development, and not attempting to change oneself. 6. An absence of coherence. People will quickly stop respecting someone who is contradictory in their words or deeds. Keeping pledges is one example, as is acting one way in some circumstances while acting differently in others. It's critical to remember that gaining the respect of others requires more than simply abstaining from these negative behaviors. You must actively work to project positivity and carry out deeds that will earn their respect. Respect from other people can be attained by being trustworthy, helpful, and kind-hearted. It's also crucial to keep in mind that respect is something that must be gained through one's actions and behavior rather than something that can be forced. It's a two-way street, therefore both sides must put up effort in tandem. In conclusion, gaining the respect of people is not always simple, but it is necessary for developing strong and prosperous relationships. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.